Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shortcut to a folder that someone else shared with you so that you can access it directly from your own Google Drive and never lose it again. So if someone shares you a folder with you, you can always go to Shared with Me and search in here. But sometimes if you've had your Google account for a long time, there might be several different documents in here and it might be hard to find what you need. So what I like to do is actually save each folder to a spot in my own Google Drive where it's easy to find for me again. So the way that you do that is you can right click on the folder, or you can double click to open the folder and then click here. And both options, whether you're doing a right click or you use the drop down menu, you will find this add shortcut to drive. And then all you have to do is find the spot in your own drive that you would like to save it, and then you click Add Shortcut. And then what you're going to do is you can navigate to the folder where you saved it, and you'll notice that the folder is now saved there. So I have a shortcut directly to that folder whenever I need to find it again.